Today we've got a magical guest. It's this special edition Hogwarts controller, and as stunning as it is, unfortunately it's been cursed with sticks that drift. So what is stick drift? It's when your analog sticks develop a mind of their own. So it's moving the character around the screen even when you're not touching a controller. Basically, the Imperious curse of gaming. It controls you and there's no counter curse until now. To lift the curse we'll need some precision tools. I've got my own set of wands in front of me and a pair of Gulikit TMR analog sticks. These beauties are like the Elder Wand of analog sticks. They're powerful, precise, and won't drift again. So let's dive in. First thing we're doing here is opening up the controller. We'll speed through this bit because watching it in real time is about as exciting as waiting for your Hogwarts letter. With the controller open, here are the culprits, the analog sticks. Accio, tools of destruction. These little troublemakers are causing all the drift. It's time they should be evicted. Let's get to work removing them. Time to say goodbye to those old worn out sticks. And we'll bring in the replacements. These will keep the drift at bay and restore smooth control. Just check the alignment. They look good. Let's get them locked in place. With the new sticks installed, we'll do a quick inspection. Everything looks good to go. We'll get it plugged into the computer and test that our installation was successful. So it looks good to me. Both sticks are responsive. They are just a little bit off center there though. No, we won't unplug it yet. We'll calibrate the stick center. Top left. Top right. Bottom left. Bottom right. Now that's all centered up. Now it's time to rebuild the controller and we'll calibrate the circularity. So we're just testing over Bluetooth, making sure all our buttons are still working. That looks brilliant. We're going to need a cable for our next step. We'll go back into the calibration software. And we'll just make sure again that center is set. And then we'll do circularity. Rotate your sticks slowly in one direction. go in the opposite direction. Now we're done, we can test that circularity. It's like magic. You can't get any better than sticks like that. That is bang on accurate. And with fantastic results from the calibration, now that the Gulikit TMR sticks are installed, this wizard's broomstick's gonna fly as precise as a seeker chasing a golden snitch. It's another controller saved from the dark arts of stick drift, but if your controller's feeling cursed, send it my way and I'll work some magic. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, stick drift might feel like a Dementor, but there's always a Patronus in the form of proper repairs. See you next time.